Alright, so here's where I'm at. I've got the amplifier unit pulled out, and you can see I now have the display working. And if I adjust the voltage, I can go ahead and adjust it, no problem. And it looks like the card, what I noticed is that the LEDs were blinking here. Where's my fingers in here? The 24 volts going into the chip down here, that little board down there was blinking with the orange LED down there. And I was monitoring this port here and only getting 6 volts, and the LEDs were all flashing. And so what I've done is I pulled all the connectors from that board. There's 3. There's one right there. There's another on the back side right there. So 1, 2, and this third one comes to the front here. And this connector goes into this board here. And so it was connected right up to these pins here. And so I pulled them one at a time, or all 3, and I got it to power 24 volts. If this is connected, which I'll show you what happens here, is if I will, everything, just be careful with the capacitors. I'll plug this back in here. Oops. So now those pins are connected up to the board down there, and when I flip the power on, you'll see everything is flashing. And I'm only getting 6 volts off those 2 header pins, and the power supply is also only seeing 6 volts. So something is going on here between this board and that board. So it's stemming all from here though. So if I turn the power off again and I disconnect these header pins, so now this is free. Just get that out of the way. And if I turn things back on, everything is stable. The LCD works, and I'm able to adjust the knobs and setting. So it looks like it's stemming from this board here. So just document some stuff here. We got 3 cables coming in. We got the blue, ground, and brown. So 220. I'll measure the voltage going into those 2 just to check. So here we go. Just going through and checking everything. Of course, we have a hot and a negative terminal there for the capacitor input. So this is the board that starts the capacitor charge, it looks like, and it is not functioning as expected.